Greetings, my fellow warriors. So today we have like a couple of meetings that Scott Bessent and Pulte will meet today at the White House, and they also will be signing of executive order. I'm not sure, and we don't know. Is it about the? They said it is about the housing, but is it about Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac? We don't know definitely. So why? But there is a nice news what have roll out, and Mr. Glen Bradford, and he was formerly known as Fenegate Hero. He was like for a long term proponent of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac release, especially his like preferred shareholder, and uh, his writings. He had bunch of writings, and his writings have influenced a lot of people to move to preferred shares and lose the opportunity of gaining more money. It doesn't matter. He's like he follows the subject, and he has pretty good and info from time to time. So don't listen to him, but follow him. That is the what I think, because he's completely invested in preferred shares. What I think that they have the limited possibility of gains, and that that's why you should not listen to him, but you should listen because he has good info from time to time. So option. So he said that he's not if this right, but this is what is says. Option one, punchy. Judge Malone just ended ROP vs FHFA. Every settler circle has now dismissed the Collins uh, remand. The litigation path is closed. The path forward is political. Full 17-page opinion analysis, and he posts the link so you can go there. You can go there. Option two, breaking ROPFHF dismissed. Judge Malone grants judgment. The pleadings of for FHA and Treasury denies leaves the amend final order. The Trump letter to Rand Paul, not enough. Same DC law, same complaints, same results as Collins, but and full opinion preferred PDF. This is the same problem. Opinion option three. Um, Thread starter. The last standing GSE shareholder case just died. Judge Malone, Michigan, 17 pages. It's over. Every court in America has now rejected a narrow Collins demand claim. Here, what it means for FNMA FMCC shareholders. And here, what he says that you don't want to increase. Okay. Uh, what else you can increase like this? So, what does it mean that the main point is that all cases are dismissed with the Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, and so that is extremely good for us, and that is was like biggest burden on the Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac for exit conservatorship because you cannot settle, you cannot exit conservatorship until it is settled, and obviously it is settled. Dismiss. All these suits were dismissed. Uh, so the court has unanimously held that shareholders cannot connect to the unconstitutional removal restriction and other concrete from the Third Amendment. The hypothetical Supreme Court left open callings have been closed by every court that it examined. So it is done. And that happened like yesterday. That was a big deal. So like finally everything is done on the legislature side, and probably if they wanted to release it up to now, they there was a problem. They couldn't. So this doesn't mean that Fanning Gate is over. It means the resolution if it comes to be political, administrative, or judicial. The question now is whatever the current administration will act on a recapitalization through FHFA and Treasury, not whatever the court will order it. For those of us who have held preferred shares, as I said, he is the preferred share. Throughout the years of legislation, this ruling is gut punch, but not a surprise. The writing has been on the wall since Collins. The Supreme Court gave shareholders a theoretical crack in the door, and every lower court has slammed it shut. So there's no more options about that Collins suit. So it's end. The case of Fannie and Freddie recapitalization remains strong on merit. The companies are profitable. They have been for years. The net worth sweep extracted over 300 billion. The question was always whatever the system would acknowledge that happened. And this judge, like every judge before him, decided it wouldn't be in the court that to do it. So the government has to do it. And these are the cases. So what is important is that it is done. It is finished, and we will move on. Look at his website, glenbranford.com. He has like some good stuff, some not so good stuff on the website, but it doesn't matter. The whole idea is that he has the info, and you filter it. Um, and it is good article, but go there and check it. And it is good for us. We'll see what tomorrow will bring. The yesterday price hit like $5. It was like painful, and but we survived. It's not a big deal. Uh, so stay well, my friends. Stay healthy.